Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the lookup function in Excel. This versatile function helps you find specific values in a range, making data analysis more efficient. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to use the lookup function, provide sample data and charts, and demonstrate practical uses. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basic syntax of the lookup function. Here's what each part means. Lookup value is the value you want to search for. Lookup vector is the range that contains the lookup value. Result vector is the range that contains the result value you want to return. Now, let's look at our example. We have a table of products with columns for product ID, product name, and price. We want to find the price of a specific product based on its product ID. Suppose we want to find the price of the product with ID 103. We'll use the lookup function to do this. In cell E2, we'll enter our lookup formula. Start by typing equals lookup. Next, we need to specify the lookup value. In this case, it's the product ID 103. So, we type 103. Now, we need to specify the lookup vector, which is the range that contains the product IDs. So, we type A. Finally, we need to specify the result vector, which is the range that contains the prices. So, we type CC and close the parentheses. The complete formula we entered in cell E2 is listed at the bottom of the screen. Press Enter, and Excel will return the price of the product with ID 103, which is $35. And there you have it. We've successfully used the lookup function to find the price of a product based on its product ID. The lookup function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios to find values based on criteria. Whether you're looking up prices, names, or any other data, lookup can simplify your data analysis. That's it for today's tutorial on the lookup function in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.